How to pay with PayPal on Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can pay through PayPal on Shein. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Shein website and sign in. To show how to pay through PayPal, I'll add a product and checkout. If you haven't added shipping info, add it and scroll down. Under the shipping info, you will see the option to pay via PayPal. Select it. And if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also pay via PayPal with your debit or credit card. Payment can be submitted in any currency. Then tap on Place Order. So this is how you can pay with PayPal on Shein.